So, photographers, have you ever lost hours searching for a single photo? What if I told you there was a simple, foolproof system to organize thousands of photos so you can find exactly what you're looking for in seconds? Hi, I'm Cheryl Martin, and after managing Hallmark's photography department for over 10 years, I perfected a digital filing system that transformed how I worked. I even had the head of the IT department come over and ask me what I was doing so he could do something similar in his department. Cool, huh? Well, today I'm giving you the exclusive behind the scenes look at the exact system I use every day. Let's face it, disorganized files create stress, missed deadlines, and lost clients. When you're juggling multiple projects, product photos, and client requests, not having a reliable way to store and retrieve images can kill your productivity. The information attached to your images actually matters, especially if you're creating stock photos. Your captions, descriptions, keywords should clearly match what the image is about. That helps people find your work, but it's also important for copyright. This is where you add your name and company information and any usage rights, so you're properly credited and paid when your images are shared and published. With a proper filing system, you reclaim your time, reduce mistakes, and present yourself like a true professional. Here's why this system works. Consistent file naming conventions, organized folder structures that make sense, keywording and metadata tagging for powerful searchability, backup version control to protect your work. So step 1, naming conventions. I'll show you my exact naming formula, how to include client name, shoot date, product type, and version number. This helps instantly identify files without opening them. Step 2, folder organization. Next, organize folders by year, month, client, and project. This logical hierarchy keeps everything neat and easy to navigate. Step 3, metadata and tagging. I add detailed keywords and metadata tags into each image. This allows me to search by product, color, or even specific shoot details, right from my photo software or within Adobe Bridge. Step 4 is backup version control. Finally, I use automated backups and version control so nothing gets lost or overwritten. I'll share the tools I use and the best practices that actually work. I'm even going to share what my IT guy told me about backing up files. He recommended a cloud-based service called iDrive. What I like about it is that it works across everything, so Macs, PCs, phones, and tablets. I've been using it for about a year now, and it's actually really easy because my filing system is set up before I upload anything. When I downloaded photos from my phone, that's when I add the metadata. So later, when I need to find something, I just type in a keyword and it pops right up. I'm going to create a live demo for you. So let's jump in and screen recording so you can use this exact system in action. I'm going to walk you through a recent photo shoot folder, and I'll show you exactly where I add the keywords and metadata and how easy it is to apply that info into multiple images at once. This part saves tons of time. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit metadata in Lightroom. So let's get started. Metadata in Lightroom includes information about your photos, such as the camera settings used, copyright details, keywords, editing, metadata. All these can help you organize, search, and manage your photo library more efficiently. And here's how you can edit metadata in Lightroom. First, open up Lightroom and navigate to the library mode on the right-hand side of the metadata panel. If it's not visible, you can show it by pressing F8 or going to view it in the metadata panel from the top menu. Click down. Here's how you select multiple photos on a PC. I'm pressing down the Shift key and selecting all the photos on this panel. Now you can go to your keyword tags and enter anything that is a descriptive word that will help you remember what your photographs are. So for example, you can use your client's name, your project name, your date that you took the photos, any color reference, any special projects that you're doing. Put all those
keywords in here with a comma in between each one, and it will save it in your data.
With this system, you'll save hours of searching images, impress clients with your professionalism, reduce errors and lost files, free up more time for creativity and marketing. If you want my 81-page planner that includes a digital filing system plus dozens of other business tools, check out the link below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more insider tips and growing your photography business. See you in the next video.